And on this week's episode of the Foodie Trials, I'm trying your pick once again, the Shirakiku Sanukiya Fresh Spicy Ramen Noodle Soup. But first, let's get some background info on Shirakiku and also what Sanukiya noodles are exactly. Sanukiya translates to a business from Sanuki, and Sanuki was the former name of what is now Kagawa, Japan. This prefecture is mostly known for its wheat flour udon noodles. So this is kind of stepping out the box a little bit, but I still expect great things. Shirakiku is a private food brand of Wismetic Asian foods that has been operating in North America since 1947. They have over 6,500 types of food and non-food items that satisfy the Japanese market in America. Now that we got that info, let's get to it. All right, let's get it. Shirakiku spicy ramen, fresh ramen. That's always exciting. Oh, now you know I love me some packets. Dry flakes on deck. Then we got the udon soup powder. And the fresh nudes up in there. That looks really good. Looks like they're gonna be primo. I'm hype. Let's take a look what we working with. Okay, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Directions. A little different. I don't want to use the microwave. Whatever, I guess. We're gonna follow it to the T. That's how we do. To make this ramen, we're just gonna put everything in here in this here bowl. Wow, that's crazy. They feel so weird. Really weird. They smell like Play-Doh. Then we're gonna add the soup. Oh, that smells good. There's like a soy sauce flavor to it. Then lastly, the dried flake. All right, looks like they got some veggies in there. I would bet there's cabbage, hundo P. Put it on top of that. And we wait. Let's spread that love around. This ramen, since it's in a cup, is a wee different. We're gonna pour it to that fill line with the water, and they want us to microwave it for 2 minutes. I don't want to, but if that's what they say, we gonna do. All right, let's get it. Water's ready. Water's in. Ooh wee. Damn, joints look good. Nice and thick. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Get it. Damn, these noodles are hella thick. Makes sense though. That's pretty good. Those noodles are 100% fire. This broth is spicy and good flavor too. I like this one. This is a good bowl. I rock with this. Oh yeah. Solid spice, can't go wrong with it. Oh yeah, double trouble. Oh, for sure. I just had the Shirakiku Sanuki Fresh Spicy Ramen, and I'm gonna give that a 9.0 flat. Those fresh noodles were incredibly delicious. They were a little thicker than normal, but I was still down for that because the texture was incredible and the chew was amazing. Now the spicy broth was just that, just spicy. There's no other flavor I could really bring about of it. It was just spicy, which is great because that's what they said. They delivered. But it's a 9.0 for me. Thank you all very much for tuning in to this week's episode of the Foodie Trials. And if you enjoyed this video, hit me with a like, a comment, a follow, a subscribe, whatever's your vibe. And check out my Instagram story where I'll be posting next week's episode. Appreciate y'all. Take care. Peace.